Hey guys, my name is Kemet, and I'm back with the Shock Rocket Quarter Stick Vacuum Cleaner. So this model is HV301CBK. If you're not sure it's your model number vacuum cleaner, it's right here behind the handle. You could take a look. And this time, we're gonna make sure to pick up all those litters and the debris on the bathroom floors. So with a floor setting, so let's go. You can see, he almost leave those debris behind. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more factory cleaning videos, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next video.